Hello everyone. Let us learn pair of linear equations in two variables. Here pair of linear equation, pair indicates two, set of two. So two linear equations are there that in two variables. The variables here are x and y, and standard form of a linear equation is ax plus by plus c. Here we have taken a1, b1 and c1, a2, b2 and c2, which are numerical coefficient, just to make the difference between the two linear equations. To solve, we have certain condition. We have to follow those conditions. The first condition is if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, so such lines will be intersecting lines like this. It's not necessary that they intersect at the center itself. The point of intersection might be anywhere. So such, if it satisfy this condition, they will be having unique solution. So that is one solution. If they have solution, then we call them as consistent. Example over here is 1x, 1a1, b1, c1, a2, b2 and c2. When there is a negative sign given, minus sign given, so coefficient take along with the minus sign over here. So to check with a1 by a2, so 1 by 3 not equal to minus 2 by 7. So here this satisfy the condition a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So without plotting the graph, we will come to know that these two lines will intersect such a way they will have one point of intersection, and that will be unique solution. The next condition, that is second condition here, is if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 and equal to c1 by c2, then these lines will be coincident line. That means like this overlapping. Each point on this line will be the solution for this set of two equations. That means we infinitely many solutions are there for this coincident lines. So when they have solution, they are called as consistent. Even they have one unique solution, one solution, then also they are consistent. Here this lines also, because each and every point on the line is a solution for these lines, so they are consistent. Example here, a1, b1, c1 is minus 9. So likewise here, when we have written it over here, the coefficients, when checked, 2 by 4 equal to 3 by 6 equal to minus 9. So when we cancel this, we get 1 by 2 each. So a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. Minus and minus cancel, it still remains 1 by 2. That satisfy this condition. So the graph of these two lines will be coincident lines. So moving on with the next, that is last condition. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. We need to check that this one it's not equal to c1 by c2. In such case, these two lines will be parallel lines. It will be this way. They do not intersect at any point. So there won't be any solution. So no solution. Since they do not have any solution, they are inconsistent. So again example taken here, a1 here nothing is there, means a1 will be 1, then a2 is 2. So a1 by a2 is equal to 2 by 4. I have just listed out the coefficients or the variables here, the values over here. So when cancelled, we get 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2, but not equal to 4 by 12 will be 1 by 3. So it's this set of equations, pair of linear equations satisfy this condition. So graph of this will be parallel lines. These two lines will be parallel lines. No solution, inconsistent. One more point, make a note, linear graph of linear equations will always be straight line. So with this much knowledge, we'll move on with exercise 3.1, which is graph sum. First sum is age sum. So follow my tricks, whatever I give, you will be able to handle any age sum given to you all. Aftab tells his daughter 7 years ago since that on you can, that is a previous years. I was, that is Aftab is telling his daughter that 7 times as old as you were. as you were then. Also 3 years from now or hence, then it would be an add-on years. I shall be, that is in future. I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. So this situation we have to represent graphically as well as algebraically. So here there are two people, Aftab and daughter. So first we'll start with, let Aftab present age be x years. Then let Aftab daughter present age be y years. So what would be the trick here? Any two person given in comparison. Here it is father and this is daughter. I will make it equal. Is that possible? No. But the condition here says 7 years ago. So both are younger. 7 years ago, minus sign. This condition also not possible. But Aftab says, when you read the statement, I was 7 times as old as you. So I was, Aftab was is equal to sign. 7 times will be multiplication. So we have to take, this will be our first equation. 7y minus 49. So x minus 7y equal to minus 49 plus 7. So it will be x minus 7y is equal to minus 42. This will be our first equation. Equation 1. So likewise in the second case he say also 3 years from now. So again we will start with our trick, that is Aftab equal to daughter, not possible, plus 3 from now, 3 years from now, 3 years from now, this also not possible. But he says something else, that I shall be 3 times as old as you. 3 times means multiplication. If he says 3 more means addition, like that. So go with the word given, times, thrice, like that. So multiplication will be there. Then x plus 3 is equal to 3y plus 9. Then x minus 3y equal to 9 minus 3, that will be 6. This is our equation 2. The first thing what you have to check while drawing the graph is what type of lines these are. That will help you to find the scale and points. So a1 is 1 by 1 by 1 is equal to minus 7 by minus 3. I am just checking out minus 7 b1 and b2. So here definitely this is not equal. I will write here a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So now we know that these lines, when we draw the lines, we will get intersecting lines. How should they intersect? Intersecting lines and unique solution. Now one more problem we'll have, this unique solution should fall in our graph page. If I take any other, I don't know here what would be the solution. It is intersecting line, unique solution. So my best advice for you is to first learn the elimination or any other method and solve it. Find out the intersecting point so that it would be easier. So here it would be easier for us. Minus 42 x minus 3y equal to. If you don't know elimination method, don't worry, in my next video I'll be posting about it. For now, I'll subtracting to cancel this part, change the sign, cancel this, you get minus 4y equal to minus 48, y is equal to 12. When I substitute y equal to 12 in equation 2, x minus 3y equal to 6. This is equation 1, equation 2. What did I do? I substituted y equal to 12 in equation 2. So x minus 3 into 12 is equal to 6. Then x is equal to 6 plus 36, x is equal to 42. See, we need to get these 2 points in both the lines. So if I say, take my coordinates as 0, 1, 2, 3, then we will not meet up to this one, and our line will not intersect in the graph page. So we will now smartly select the coordinates for this one. Minimum 3 points are required, x and y, and for this second equation, since there are two, y equal to 6, x and y. So we already know one coordinate when y is 12, it should be 48, and it definitely will be 100%. It will be. So let me try out here with, if x I put it as 0, then it will be here. If I substitute here x as if x is equal to 0, then minus by 42 by 7, we will get 6. Then I'll take just 0 to get started. We have to, x value should go up to 42. So what I will do here is, next in this case, I will put x as 28, or the other way, just to increase the y value, you can go on adding up to the values of your choice. I am taking here 28 because x I have to come up to 42 here. So some values, just by guessing, you can take out. So x 28, 28, 42 minus 28 divided by 7, you will get here 10. And then you can try out, if x is 42 here, x 42, send it this side, minus 42 minus 42, it will become 84. 84 divided by 7, you will get it here 12. So 1 point over here. Why did I take this coordinate? You these points, anything you take, but this is must and should. You need to take this unique solution in both the boxes. Then for this one, again I will take here x as 0, then it will be, how much it will be here this side. Okay, so 0 will not work out in this case. See, I am getting negative answer. We'll try avoiding negative answers for the age sum, which is not possible actually. So what would I take over here? It will help me to take, so if I take here say x equal to 6. Okay, I will try taking x equal to 6, then I will send 6 here, it will become minus 6, 0. So yes, we get 0 divided by minus 3 will be 0, so 0. Then I will take here, so I would be taking here so that I will get multiple of 3 only. I will not take here 7, 8 or something, so that it will not be divisible by 3. I hope you got this point. You just try with taking 7. 7 plus 6, it will be 13, which will not be divided by 3. So next one I will be using here 12. If I take this one as 12, it will go that side and become minus 6. So if x is equal to 12, minus 6, minus and minus cancel, 6 by 3 will be 2. For 10th standard level, I hope you know how to substitute this one. So 2 are of the own choice. One more, we need to take the common point. We already have solved. This is a point of intersection. So here it will be, if x is 42 here, send it that side, 42. Then it will be 6 minus 36 minus 36 divided by 3, you will get 12. See, this is the main point. If you just, if without doing this part here, verification or solving this, you will never come to know that these are the points, and you'll end up taking only 0, 1, 2, 3, and 42 lies somewhere outside the page. So do make sure that you, if it is unique solution, this will help you out. So let us now plot these points. when you take the graph here, since we don't have negative values, I've just drawn the first quadrant. For the first box here, I will be drawing x and 6, 0, 6. And scale also, you have to check out for the scale here. First, when you draw scale, do make sure that you check the x both in both the boxes. Highest value is 42 and lowest is 0. And the terms here are 28, 6, all are even. And y value, lowest is 0 and highest is 12. So what I have taken here is, so 12 is manageable in the graph sheet. So 1, 2, 3. So y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit, whereas for this one I have taken 4, 8, 12 and all, so that we will get our 42, 28 as well as 12. So first I will draw 0, x we have to rise up to 6. So this is our 0 comma 6. And second one is x is 28 here, and then y is 10. I'll have to rise up to 10 here. So 28 comma 10, and then 42 and 12. 42 will come here in the middle one, 42 and 12 here, 42 and 12. So what you do, first draw the line for this one and then only start with the next part. All the 3 points should meet and come in the same line, so that, yeah. And most important thing, before starting for the next one, write the equation for this 7y. These are all detailing should be done before itself. Then we will plot for the second one here, 6, and see they seem to be similar. No, but they are not. In this case 6 will come here, that is x is 6 and y is 0. And second one is 12 comma x is 12, y is 2. So x is 12, y is 2, 12 comma 2. Then one more is this point only here, point where they meet. I have seen many people or many students doing it, not commenting on anyone, that this point of intersection is not shown at all. So here this is of x minus 3y equal to 6. So here we complete. In our graph we got our solution, that is 42 comma 12. This is x and y. Therefore x, Aftab age is 42 and daughter age is 12.